What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Hope you had a nice weekend. Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO Day Trading show. It's 11:30. Most people are either getting ready for lunch during their 9 to 5. Most other traders are still trading the market, looking to, I don't know what they're looking to do, make more money, because they haven't yet. But everybody in the MOJO Day Trade rooms seems to be rocking on all cylinders, and we hit all our goals. So this is what we have in the MOJO room. We did a poll, actually. Take a look at the poll. So here's the poll. Right here. Let's see what people made today. 5 to 10%. 1 to 5%. 5 people made that. 2 people made 5 to 10. Everyone else observing and watching, and nobody lost money. Got a couple people votes. Very light on the votes today, but thank you at least for taking them. Appreciate that. Right there, I have a copy of that. So then, a couple of things with the trading today. Excuse me. UVXY quite crazy today. We traded that. We traded a whole list of stocks. I'll show you right here from the beginning how we made our money today. Snap was a really good trade. It's the only one that I didn't do out of the bunch that some of the others did. And 936. Here we go. You ready? Let's go IPXL. Here it is. UVXY 931. Here it is. Entry. This one we lost on 300 shares. Actually, we wouldn't have lost, but just too risky. So entry number 1 was 100. Right here. So we got 100 UV. Right there at 1980. Okay, and then we did UV at 1954. Going to try to bump it out with 200 shares. Stop 1950. Should actually put it at 40. It wouldn't have gotten stopped out. So I lost on 300 shares. Right there. Like 70 or 80 bucks, okay? And then DCTH was a swing pick that was up right here, 18%. So it's a swing pick. IPXL was real sweet. Alan had picked the stock for us right here at 1075 and 1080. The high 1085, and that's to go through $11. And it sure did. Thank you, Alan, for that awesome pick. And then we got in it again at 1085. So this was IPXL from 1080 to 1120, 40 cents. Then we did it again, 1085 to 1105 again. So that was another 20 cent. And then we did Omer right here at 1177. Pay up for it, 1180. It hasn't even been to 1180, but we'll just say for math purposes, 1180. And we did Top Ships, 125. Okay. Then we did HTGM. Right here, we're eyeing it at 980. Then we're buying it at 952. And then we are Tops at 130. So Tops is a profit. Made 8 cents on Tops. In on these two, Omer in that one, and UV I took the loss on. So UV right here, loss 20. make that back easy, I'll show you. And we traded it again right here. So this was HTGM. We're going to catch that sucker in 30 seconds. SPSH didn't do much. So this is SPSH. 284. IPXL. Sold. Good job on the IPXL. Then we did a NXTD right here at 199 to go through 2. Went to 220. NXTD. 10-cent move right there on a small stock is nice. Then we have IPXL. We're doing it again at 11. IPXL. So we're in it again at 11. And then right here, HTGM 956. See, it's moving up a little higher. And we folded Nugget, which was a great fold. I didn't want to do that one, or VRX. And then we did UV at 1937 and 1932. So UV, we're back in to make up that loss. Average is 1924, that's what it gets to. And then sold UV at 19, that was the second one. So the UVXY, we made a dime. Easy trade, sold. And then we, what's this one? This is Top Ships again at 121. SPSH going up higher for a profit. Didn't make much on SPSH, just a little bit. SPSH and nickel. HTGM, there it is, 990. See it? We bought it at 52, so we're up 40 cents, and we're flat right through there. That's a great trade on HTGM right there. That was for 55 cents. Then we, beautiful trade on that. Then IPXL, there's the $11 right here. There's the sells right there for another 20 cents. Okay. Beautiful sells, very silly, good trading. Omer right there making its move through 1205. See the signal, going to add there on 1205. And then we sold Top Ships again, just like for Ringo. Made another 8 cents, 9 cents on the tops. Oh, there it goes, see, 139, 130. And then the snaps, Marks, Hines, Hunters at 23.40. We missed snap, other people did it. Great trade on snap. Then Harmony right here, mini Hines sequence filled 315 on Harmony and Naked. So see, we're doing a lot of trades, guys, and it's only Naked's 239. Harmony is 315. Harmony I didn't really make anything on. The other one I did. Omer right there, 213, new high. Harmony right there, 324. Didn't make much on it because it came back down. Only actually made a nickel, even though it shows more. And then right here, we're lean and mean. Omer, there's the signal at 1218 to lemon squeeze. Penny pinchers are taking it up. NAKD going through 247 right there from 239. And here's the mini Hines and the sell at 254. So that's a 14-cent move on NAKD right there. Beautiful, nice trade. All pro traders got that. All traders have no clue on what just happened. Then IPXL. Boom, here we go, 1135. That's why Mojo use a must. I got back in it, 1140, 1150. IPXL, another 20 cents right there. Then we're doing IMMU right here from 690 through 7. IMMU, made a dime on that one. Add all these up, adds up a lot, guys. Adding, okay? And then Omer, 35 from 1180 is up 60 cents, and that's the end of Omer right here. So Omer was a 50-cent move on Omer, and that's how you traded for the day right there. And then we have a UVXY at 1908. UVXY sold 1920. So that's another dime we made on UV right there. Quick and nimble. That was a swing pick. And this is the education and what I'm doing right here. HTGM 1075. HTGM boom 1094. Made another 20 cents on HTGM right there. Okay, flat. Then we did RGSE. That one made a couple of pennies on as well on RGSE. Then we did IMMU. There's the sell, and here's the pull, and now we're all caught up, and there's the HTGM on that last move, which was huge. So we did one loss and 19 trades, one loss. So what I do is I have on my website, hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike. Becoming a pro trader, it gives you the skills you need to make money every day like this. So on the website, we have the watch list for today, which was real nice. I have RGSC, IMMU, Omer, Naked, all my stocks that are up there real nice here on the watch list. Definitely check that out all day long. And then I'm going to go to, which is right here, so I did 19 trades, one wrong today. Let's see that. So this is 19 out of 18. That's a 95%er. We've traded 19 days this month. So if you go to results and you click day trade results, they're right here. We've traded on Monday 19. We've traded 340 trades out of 19 days, 328 correct for 96% in the Mojo room. Here's the Mojo website. You can check out the courses, the $1 a day trial, which is a 7-day trial for just $1 a day. The results, the free videos. Here's some free videos for you guys if you want to check that out. How to grow a small account. It's like a 2-hour video right here. It's got 4,000 views. This video has 4,000 views. It's a 21-minute video. And I have averaging down versus scaling. Another 1,000 views on this video. This video is 9 minutes. Show that's a good one. And then scaling techniques. I'm showing you scaling right now. This video only has 220, but these are pretty good videos. Right there. And then if routines, and if you want some more, you just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Real nice. It's the MOJO site. And then with the courses is the main thing. So what if you were shown step by step exactly how hundreds of pro traders, how they got started, folks? Okay? How they got started with their day trading business. How they were given the education and the training and the tools and the systems they needed from these courses. I have the live course going on right now. The next one is in 36 days. But you can online take these courses right here. See? Step-by-step videos, awesome training, all in these courses. Definitely check it out. Real nice. And if you click here, you go to Mojo University. Right here. This is what it looks like. Bang! Mojo U in the courses, folks. So I don't know what the deal is, do you? With the 5-cent spreads? IPXL 1165, Alan. You believe it? I do. Journal it. That'll happen time and time and time again, buddy. That'll happen time and time and time again. Absolutely. Journal that. That IPXL. Oh, it's a fantastic pick. Alright, so let me show you the MOJO Day Trading. Let me show you here the blogger. So I don't know if you notice this, but these stocks are trading in a 5-cent spread. See, 1160 by 65. See it? There's a bunch of these, man. Let's see how many of them are trading like that. This one has a 15-cent spread. Scone won't, it's too small. This is a swing pick from Mojo. I'll show it to you to remind me. Then we have Harmony, 3-cent spread. RGLS, see it, 155 by 60 with all these in-betweeners. Those are called dark pools. You can't get those prices. See this one? 109 by 10. Nope. There's a bunch of them now. Zyop. Nope. PRTK. 10-cent spread. PLSE. 20-cent spread. See, the spreads on these stocks are moving. And I don't know if you noticed that. So let me show you the MOJO Day Trading website. And we'll go to the blog. Hi everybody, Pro Trader. And what is the tick size pilot program? That's it right there. So on October 3rd, 2016, small cap traders will see some big changes coming to the bid and ask of certain stocks. The new SEC tick size pilot test will begin in October, and a selected small cap stocks will begin trading in 5-cent increments instead of 1-cent increments for the next 2 years. If this is the first time you're hearing about the tick size pilot, here's 5 things you need to know. There's a control group. The securities in this group will continue to be quoted and traded in 1-cent increments. Orders will be accepted in 1-cent increments, and executions may occur at all currently permitted increments. Then there's a test group 1, which is the quoted in the 5-cent increment, trading using permitted increments. Orders will be accepted in 5-cent increments only. All other prices will be rejected. Peg orders with limit prices, not in 0.5 increments, will be rejected. Executions may occur at the bid or offer, midpoint, or any other price within the spread. Test group 2 are quoted and traded in 5-cent increments. Orders will be accepted in 5-cent increments only. Pegged orders and limit orders rejected. Executions may occur, offer, and midpoint, or within the spread. Group 3 is traded and quoted in 5-cent increments, traded at restrictions and block exemption. Executions may occur at the same. No transaction will occur during locked markets, and no transactions will occur at the bid and offer unless the aggregate trade size is more than or equal to 5,000 shares. Pretty unbelievable, huh? The average investor will likely not see any changes in his or her portfolio. The pilot test consists of 1,400 stocks divided into the 3 test groups. The 200 stock control group will continue trading as normal, and all stocks in the test have met market caps of $3 billion and average trading of less than 1 million shares. In other words, they're thinly traded and they're manipulated, and they're going to bomb and crash. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable what they're doing. The SEC's intention is to boost liquidity. It's to make everyone lose. The entire idea behind the program is to determine if increasing the spreads for thinly traded stocks will improve the liquidity. Give me a break. What's going to improve the liquidity is removing the damn PDT rule and having anybody be able to trade these stocks in a fair and orderly way, not separating them out so the average guy who's trading these stocks is going to be losing their ass due to market manipulation for the market makers. I've seen these things going up parabolic today like I've never seen before. Look at these stocks. This stuff doesn't make sense. Look at the way these things are going up parabolic 5-minute gaps in the morning. Doesn't make sense. Look at this. Omer. Crazy? Look at this 5-minute gap drive up. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Stuff never happens before. It's crazy. So, a lot of manipulation and boosting of liquidity. Remove that PDT rule. The stocks in the 3 different category test groups will be impacted differently. There you go. The pilot test could generate some market turbulence. Great. SEC may have more to do with increased spreads. It used to be 1/4 by 1/2, 3/4 by $1. It used to be in fractions. Now they're doing the same thing with decimals. How are you going to make the spread? Everything's manipulated. It's so crazy. And that's the new thing that's going on, if you haven't noticed that, in the stock market, folks. So Alan finally came up with a beautiful pick today, threw it out in the room this morning, and that's the IPXL. Jumped all over it, traded that, my biggest winner of the day right there. We have a couple of other guys put out some nice picks in the room. We have some Heinz hunters, and otherwise we've done pretty well for the day. And we're going to be done for the day and head off to lunch and do the same thing tomorrow. That's what we do. So that's what we have. There's a swing pick right here that I have out called AAOI right here. It's the ultimate Ken Slim pick, and I'll show you why. This stock right here, Applied Optoelectronics. Current earnings, 50 million, 55 million, 70 million, 84 million. Increase estimates next 2 years. Do I have to tell you what they're going to do? A, annual sales. That's the top two. So earnings was loss of 4, making 16, making 38, making 84. So you got the CAN. They're fiber optic electronic maker for cable TV, fiber optic home data center markets. Bang zoom. Stock's in a beautiful uptrend right here through 53. Now it's higher than that. It's 56. Okay? Shares outstanding is 17.2 million. 91 earnings per share ranking, group relative strength A, SMR rating A, composite rating 99, timeliness B, RS rating 99. Okay? I, institutional sponsorship 46%, market momentum. That's Ken Slim, guys. AAOI. Right there, $58, been to 59 today. Mojo knows how to pick those winners, right? Stock's never been above 55 when I showed you there. Dry ships moving. Yeah, boy! Mosh! Mosh! Nice. Let me show you what we did with that. Newsletter this morning. Good morning, Mojo Traders. Pro Trader Mike. I just want to tell you that you're making money. You're making money. Let me see something here. Da-na-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na-na. Okay. Hey Moj. Good morning. What time is it? It is 8:40 a.m. Good morning. Nice start of the day with a 24% winner on 555,000 shares. Should go more today. Selling half. Maximizing. Pick 320 under 10. Looking pretty good. Dry ships. Could easily be in play. Back up to 150. Call it the mini Heinz trade play. See it? 136 at 8:45. We're in it. Stock traded heavy volume on Friday. Should do the same today. If it gets to 330 plus, it will be a buy. Okay, it'll go test 350. Play only in that direction. If it goes under 290 and the 3 right here, dude, don't play it. Those are the 3. What did they do? And those are pretty specific instructions. Dry ships is 141. Bang! So let's see what they did. According to the newsletter, you should have taken a profit on DCTH. Bought dry ships.
Yeah, baby.
And check out ZACS. Let's see, ZACS. Because dry ships moving in the right direction, baby. To 50. This ZAIS, what did it do? High 3. 3 is the high. The high. Never made it to nowhere. So the stock's never in play. Don't send me an email saying anything about ZAIS, anybody. Send me an email about the dry ships and the DCTH. Don't send me an email saying you messed up and you bought ZAIS. What am I going to do with it? We didn't buy it. Follow the instructions. Does everyone see the instructions, how easy they are in the swing? You all see that? You see? Very easy. Real easy. Everyone has access to the Swing Picks channel. It's very easy. Alan, how's that 1858 doing for you now, buddy? Pretty damn skippy on the fold on UV at 1909, saying it was going to take its dumper. Right on time, killer. Yeah. Feeling a greatness. Feeling a greatness. That's what we do. We have a lot of great traders in the room. IPXL 70 now, Alan. He picked that one this morning. My pro. On the Heinz hunt through 11. Stock's up 70 cents. I wish I still had it. What's a piece of shizzle? UV? Nah, we did great in it. No, you guys did no. Get rid of that. You did great in it, man. Now it's a piece of crap, but yeah, you guys did fantastic. Oh, I know. After then it's toast. Then she's toast. Then she's a piece of junk bird. Dude, that Walking Dead was pretty good last night. Walking Dead was pretty good. Great show. It's one of my favorites. Badlands, too. I only watched half of that. I Love to Be Naked. Oh, with the Naked and Afraid. You like that show? Naked and Afraid. Pretty good. Nothing like the Naked stock we had this morning. That went through 50. Whew. Look at the Naked. You know why? Because I saw these other day trade rooms putting out the same pick. And I'm like, dude, if that stock starts to move, they're going to jump all over it. I'll be on it first. I got a small group. They got thousands of people. By the time there are thousands of people buy it, they'll buy me through 250. That's exactly what I did. Look, it spiked right here. I said, holy crap, let's buy it. They took it up right here. We sold right here, and we sold right there. And they all bought it right there. Isn't that right, guys? You want to see the newsletter I got this morning from the other firm that did that? Right here. Right off his watch list. Look. Naked. And he copied me because he gives a freaking... Yeah, he gives a buy range now, a stop and a target. Our old friend makes the watch list today. Look. So he bought it right here. This is fun. This is right from his newsletter. He bought Naked at 230 to 240. Target 3. Our old friend is going to make a spike to 250. He says, and then the price action at that level is going to be a short term during the month. Reaching that point is a wedge pattern. where it's time to make up its mind one way or the other. The tight stop gives us a good risk reward. So this is at the 250 when he says buying it up to 250 on the naked. And we already bought it and sold it right there. Because I saw that this morning and I said, if this thing goes any kind of volume, done. Isn't that a good one? I don't want to say the other ones, but that was a good one. That's what I could do. I could do that with other newsletters. They do it to me. Hey, but at least I buy them. They short them against me, man. I come out with a pick, they try to short it. They did that with AAOI. Look. Go ahead, short my Ken Slim stocks. Go ahead. You want to see my Ken Slim stocks? Look. Go ahead and short these. Let's see what you would have done. Let's see all the shorts in the last 2 weeks. You ready? Watch. We'll go right here. This date is Swing Pick Newsletter, January 29th. So we'll give it 30 days. Let's say you got froggy on January 27th when I came out with Lantronics. Dry ships, LTRX at 215. Okay? And you decided to get froggy on LTRX and short it against me. It's 315. You're destroyed. Okay? In 1 month. You want to see the next one? So then you decide, that was my number 1 pick. You decided on January 27th to short this ESES. 43, guys. ESES. And on this date right here, I bet it was this date, January 27th, it went to 205. So you shorted it at 135 and you covered it up 90 cents higher. Here's my next pick. PLX on January 27th. PLX is $1.17, has just been to $1.51. PLX just came from, this was my run right here at 148. PLX from 62 cents. Pretty damn skippy. Let's see the next one. Tonix Pharmaceuticals at 57 cents. Symbol TNXP, 57 cents. Guess what? It's $4.05. You're in pretty bad shape. Pretty bad shape. Okay? Cope and Sync. Here's your low risk, high reward stock from 51 cents on COYN. COYN at 51 cents is at 33, but it went to $1.28. Okay? Because that was in January. Now, BPMX at 45 cents. And it spiked here to 75 in February. BPMX right here is 50 cents, but it just came from 61 and it's 45. So those are the Mojo Ken Slim stocks, man. Pretty amazing what these things are doing. And there's a lot of them right here. More and more and more of them. Here's BLPH. Let's say, hey, Mike, I'm going to short your BLPH. Go ahead. Short it. It's $1.43 now. Here's $1.08, but it just came from $1.98. 100% gainer. And then you have Neuro last week. Superconductor right here. So I'm going to short your superconductor, Mike. Okay, at $1.16. Go ahead. Short it. It's $1.61. Okay? That's the swing picks for the Swing Trade newsletter. Okay? Here's XGTI at $1.53 last week. XGTI is $1.60, 64 right now. Okay? Here's BLFS at 212. BLFS is 205, but it was last week 225. Okay, amazing Ken Slim stock. And then these are the picks right now that we're in again. These are amazing system that I've developed over 30 years for swing picks. Do it based on the Ken Slim system. Look at that, right off 55, huh? Amazing. Who's got the lowest average in the room on UV? IPXL 70. Great stock. Great pick today on that one. Nice job on the dry ships. Everything is done with level 2 date and time stamp pictures in the room. As you can see, you don't miss nothing. They go right in. Everything's point and click, point and click, point and click. HTGM took a dump ski. That's it. So this is the MOJO chat room. The Swing Trade newsletter goes out on Sunday night. And everybody does it. Everybody does it. Dun, boom, boom. See you tomorrow, everybody. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable.